Hi, my name is Jarek and welcome to the Zillin tutorial. In the last video, we learned the basics of team management in Zillin under the Annotate and Go plan. In this video, we're going to head into the Dataset section and upload our very first files into your Zillin workspace using both channels available to us. So let's kick it off. First of all, let's establish what a dataset even is. A dataset, as the name implies, is a set of data, in this case image data, and that we use in order to interact with them within our Zillin workspace. And the datasets are key when it comes to handling your projects. We will see all of that in some of the future videos. The most important thing about datasets to remember is that every single image that you upload into your Zillin workspace must be part of a dataset. This dataset may be created immediately upon the upload of these new images, or you can have those images added into an already existing dataset. But no image can exist independent of any dataset. So let's hit create a new dataset. And now we are given the option to type the name. A name is obligatory. And by default, it's the word dataset with the time of creation. We're going to call this dataset bananas because that's the images we're going to be uploading. We can type a dataset description here. It's not obligatory. We can leave it with this spot empty, but it's always going to be more legible if we do. These photos display bananas. And now we need to select a dataset source. We can upload files from our hard drive, and at the time of making this video only the JPG and the PNG formats are supported, but that scope will improve and increase significantly in the months to come. So let's hit this for now. And now we need to drop our files here or click here to browse. But we're actually going to just drop the files. So let's find our folder. And for now, let's just upload those image files. Oh, 8 files ready to upload. We hit upload and now we're waiting for all the images to be uploaded. And now we got the notification that everything is ready. Dataset upload has been completed. And now we will explore more about this dataset in the next video. We'll explain the status of it and what else we can do about it, how we can view it. For now, let's leave it at that. And let's get to the account settings and see that the used space has increased and the amount of images in published dataset remains at 0. How is it possible? We'll explain in detail in the next video. For now, let's leave it at that. Let's get back to the dataset section and create a new dataset. And we're going to call this one drawings. As you can probably expect, this time we're going to use the CSV link upload option. It basically allows you to upload images that are hosted on the internet that also are in the JPG or the PNG format. So you do not always have to have those files ready on your hard drive. And again, the procedure is similar. So I'm going to show you the file I'm going to be uploading here. This is the Zillin drawings. Let's have a look at it. There are 6 files here that are separated with a comma, and those images are from the main website of Zillin, and we actually already saw them. So let's have a look. The images I posted there are the same as those. Those are all their addresses. So let's see how it will work. Let's try to have the Zillin dataset, the Zillin drawings file dropped here. And let's see if it will work. yes, we can see that 6 URLs have been accepted. Let's hit upload. And again, all the images have been uploaded successfully. We received a notification. And if we go to the account, we'll see that the used space increased slightly. And now we have 2 datasets that have the status of drafts in our dataset section. Which is the point at which we finish this video. In the next one, we're going to explain to you more in detail how you can manage your datasets, how you can publish them, what the publication even implies, how we can sort them, and all the associated stuff. So thank you very much for joining me today. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook. Hope to see you next time, and have a nice day.